Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this rolling desk that this brand sent to me for this video. And when I say rolling, take a look at this one. It comes with wheels, so you can actually move it from places. This is ideal for a couple scenarios. So home office, number one, this is going to be really cool because you can actually move from place to place. You can be in your living room, you can be in your bedroom, you can be in your kitchen if you are eating or something like that. Even you can actually do home office and go outside if you want with this rolling car. But also it could be really good for if you have, for example, a patient in your house or something like that is located in the bed. You can actually use this one on this side. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and just put it on the side of the bed and roll it kind of like under the bed. So that is really cool to have. But more than anything, what I really like about this one, besides the size, this one is about like 31 or 30, almost 32 inches wide. So it has a lot of space to put like a laptop and a mouse and things like that. But also I do like this. It comes with a handle, but I don't know what it is. It is right here. It is right here. I'm trying to find what it is. Not this one right here. So with this one, what you can do is you can actually kind of like put it this way, and your laptop won't fall because it comes with a silicone pad that I'll show you in a few seconds. But just having the chance to put it like this make it to be even better for one, storage purposes, just like this, but also kind of like stopping at any point you want and just have that as a nice incline for like having a live meeting or something like that. But besides that, let me show you some other features. So as I was telling you before, this is kind of like the silicone pad that you can add for your laptop to kind of like lock over there. So that's going to be really good for your laptop not to fall. So with that being said, you just open your laptop, and this one will kind of like make it to be a stopper for your laptop right here. But then let's actually move this one over here. You're going to see the surface. Also, by the way, super easy to assemble. This one's going to take you about maybe 10 minutes, no more than that. This is going to be the handle that I was just telling you before right here. So you can put it like this, storage, easy peasy, or you can actually put it like this and stop it at any point, anytime. But then with this one right here on the side, you will be able to do this. So let's actually do this on this side. So right now I'm going to just push it just like this. So now you have a super small desk for either the kids if you want, or if you are sitting in the floor or something like that. But also just like this, you can stop it at any point. See, you just keep pressing, and then this one goes up to the 27 inches tall, as I was just telling before. With the wheels, super easy assemble, really convenient to have, and of course also easy to store. I like it, really convenient, and I do recommend it.